So the reason why I started posting YouTube videos in the first place was to help you feel amazing about yourself. Unfortunately, I feel like I've gone a little bit overboard, all right, with some of the things and some of the topics that I talk about here on this channel. And I truly feel that if I really had to boil it down into the essential things that you need to do in order to look good, feel amazing, they're really only 6 things. And today, I want to go over those 6 things because the truth is, I don't want you to go down the rabbit hole of self-improvement, not thinking that you're good enough or always worrying that you're not doing something that you should be doing. The truth is, if you're doing these 6 things, you are ahead of 99.9% of other dudes. Number 1, your body. Is it nice? Be honest. Do you have a nice body? I'm going to be honest. I've got a nice body. Now, am I as lean as I'd like to be? No. Am I as jacked as I want to be? Not really. But the truth is that I've got a better body than most dudes, especially most dudes my age. And this sets me apart from most guys because most guys are sloppy and have a doughy dad bod. If you take your shirt off at the beach or the pool and you look around, do you look better than most of the guys? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you're ahead of most people. If the answer is not really, then get in the gym, eat better, clean up your diet, stop being stupid. Number 2 is your style, right? Style and dressing well will change your life. It's going to change the way other people perceive you. It's also going to change the way that you perceive yourself. Because when you look at yourself in the mirror and you like what you see, it automatically boosts your confidence and you feel better about yourself. Which brings me to number 3. Your body language is calm, confident, and strong. There's nothing wrong with having a strong presence. And a nice body, nice style, and strong stance is critical for you to master your body language. It's also going to set you apart from everybody else whose head is buried in their fucking phone. Stop it. Put it down. Gentlemen, stand up straight. Walk like you mean it. Shake people's hands. Smile regularly. Look people in the eye and give them compliments. The quickest, easiest thing that you can do to be well received, gentlemen, is engage with people. Talk to them. Look confident. Sound confident. Be interested and engage with them, all right? Number 4 is your grooming. Are you well groomed, all right? Now, what does well groomed mean? It really is going to depend on you and your personal preference. To me, it means that my body hair is managed, my pubes are managed, my balls are shaved, my face is well groomed. I'm going to grow a beard because beards are sexy. My eyebrows aren't too big and bushy. My ears are clean, my nostrils are free from hair, and my hair looks amazing. Dude, Alfred, that sucks. I'm losing my hair, man. It's not fair. It's genetic. Really? Really? Is it? Is it? Well, it may be. It may not be. But the fact is, if you want to stop it, you want to get your real hair back, I'm going to link down below to Bosley, right? More specifically, BosleyRx. So you guys have all heard me talk about Bosley, right? They are the hair doctors. They've been in the hair loss business for over 50 years. And when it comes to hair loss and restoring your hair, there's nobody that I trust with these luscious locks other than Bosley. If you missed the video where I actually went out to Los Angeles and filmed Pete getting a hair transplant, that video was amazing. I'm going to link to that video down below. It's epic, it's awesome, and it answers a lot of the common questions when it comes to hair restoration. But BosleyRx is something else that Bosley offers that is next level, and in my opinion, changing the hair loss game. BosleyRx is a super badass service that ships you direct to your door prescription hair loss medications. It's quick, it's affordable, and it's discreet. The other thing, if you go through my special link down below and use my discount code, right now, they're giving you 2 months of hair loss treatment for free. The way that it works, guys, you go through that link down below and you answer a few questions and sign up, all right? And then they've got different hair loss medications depending on what you're looking for. And in terms of the medications that you can get finasteride, which is a game changer in terms of hair loss. You can get minoxidil. You can get finasteride and minoxidil together. You can get a new compound that they've developed, which is a finasteride minoxidil topical. It is amazing. And guys, like I said, right now, if you go through my special link down below and use the discount code ALPHAM, they're giving you 2 months of treatment for free. Did you hear that? It's free. 2 months, which is a huge hair no-brainer in my opinion. Unless, of course, you're cool, like losing your hair and getting all thin, like in that spot right back. Whatever, I noticed, you noticed, everybody knows. Your girl notices. Stop it. Gentlemen, stop it. Because the truth is, hair is one of those things that makes you look strong, it makes you look manly, it makes you look confident if you got it. Now, if you don't, I'm not saying that you're like hideous or anything, but for me, I love my hair. I also love the compliments I get when people are like, oh my gosh, you've got great hair, right? Because this is something that a lot of guys don't, because a lot of guys didn't hit that link down below and use the discount code ALPHAM to get 2 months of hair loss treatment for free. So the first 4 things we talked about are the aesthetic, right? It's your body, it's your style, it's your body language, and it's your grooming and your physical appearance, right? The next 2 things, these are things that are a little bit less tangible, but they definitely set you apart from other people. Number 1 is your character. Are you a man of integrity? Are you a man? Or are you a whiny little bitch? Are you comfortable in your own skin? Or do you put other people down? Do you try to act like you're something that you're not? Or are you comfortable being you? Are you somebody that follows the herd? Or are you your own man? These are the things that truly set people apart from other dudes, all right? Because honestly, when I look around, I see a bunch of whiny bitches. I see a lot of people following the herd. I don't see a lot of people willing to do the hard yards, to stand up for what they believe in, and to be a leader. This is something that sets you apart from other people and truly makes you more confident and confident. And the next thing, gentlemen, is how you treat other people, all right? Do you help them? The single best thing I've ever done was A, workout, but B, it was start a YouTube channel. Why? Because of the amount of people I get to help, all right? It's about helping other people, truly. That is what I have found to do amazing things for my self-esteem and my confidence. When you help and look for opportunities to help and assist other people, not only do you look more attractive and more confident, because people that are confident and attractive help other people, it's what it does to your soul. It's what it does to you feeling good about yourself. And when you help other people and you realize that you are the implement of change, or you are there to assist them and make them feel better about themselves or help them do or accomplish things, gentlemen, nothing makes you feel better. Nothing makes you happier. And this, honestly, in my opinion, should be the goal for each and every one of you. It is happiness. It's not about Ferraris and Maseratis and spicy senoritas. It's about feeling good about the life that you're living and the man that you are. And when you do this and you package it together with the aesthetic, there is nothing that can stop you. You literally are an unstoppable force of good. You've got to be a good dude. And that's the last thing and the last bonus I'd like to give you. Be a good man. It doesn't mean you're a nice guy. It doesn't mean you're a people pleaser. It doesn't mean that you're kissing people's ass. But you are a good dude. You've got a good moral compass. You're a man of character, of integrity. You do what is right as opposed to what is easy. And you look for opportunities to help other people. If you do this, you are amazing. And that's it. Honestly, that's it. 6 things, all right? All the other tips, all the other videos, all the other everything that people post, whether or not it's me, it's Alex, it's Jose, it all, in my opinion, is inconsequential. If you do and focus on these 6 things, you're going to look good, you're going to feel good, you are going to be an amazing man, and you truly are going to live an inspired life, all right? Don't worry about chasing the spicy ass. Don't worry about driving the car. It doesn't mean you shouldn't have a good job. It doesn't mean you shouldn't be financially secure. You should, but the truth is that all the money, all the stuff will not matter if you don't feel good about yourself. Money can solve some problems, but it can't make you a better person.